Thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at how to combine like terms. How to combine like terms. And this is in Delta Math. This is the basic guided version. I won't do the drag and add. I'll just solve them. And I'll show you how to solve them. But it's basically on Delta Math, you'll just drag them and then do that operation. On the ones that I'll have, those operations are being red. So I'll show you how to do that. But first, I want to go over a few things about some vocabulary that deals with like terms. So first, I want to talk about a constant. A constant is a term that has no variable. All constants are like terms. All constants are like terms. Now, the terms that have variables, they have a coefficient. It's the numerical factor of a term. So here you've got 6a squared, 5 minus 5ab, positive 3b. The blue part, 6, negative 5, and 3 here are all the coefficients. The coefficient part of like terms doesn't matter. The part that matters is the variable part and what exponent it is. It has to be the same variable raised to the same exponent. So let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so here on the left, you've got 12x, 30x. Notice how they both have x raised to the same exponent, which is no exponent there. 6.8 y squared and 1 y squared. They both have y squares. That's the same. 4n and 11n. They're both the same n. There's no n squared and n. They have to be the exact same. If they are, they're like terms. Not like terms. 12x and 30x squared. See, it's different. 6.8 and 1y squared. See, it's not the same. 4n and 11n squared, not the same. So, just give you a visual aid here. Two balloons the same. A kite and a balloon. They both fly, but they're not the same. Okay, so on this part here, now we're going to do a couple problems. We're going to combine like terms here. Combine like terms. Okay, so I'm going to go from left to right and find my like terms. So first here, I've got 3x and minus x. There's an understood 1 here. So 3x minus 1x, different signs, find the difference, negative 2x. And every other number I just bring down, or every term I should say I bring down. Now I find my next like terms, which will be these constants. So first I find negative 6 and positive 6. They're opposites there. They'll cancel each other out. So that'll be 0. And all the other numbers, this should be negative here. Alright, now I got a negative 2x here. And I took the two 6's, got 0. Brought down to negative 2x, negative 4y, positive 4. Okay. Now I'm looking for some more like terms, and it's these two constants here, 0 plus 4, and that's easy enough. 0 plus 4 is 4. Every other term I just bring down like it is, and there's no more like terms to combine, so that's my final answer. Alright, let's look at this next problem. Got the first like terms I see here is this negative 5y and this negative 3y. So I combine those first. And then same sign, find the sum. 5 plus 3 is 8. Alright, now there's no more variables to combine. I'll combine the constants. Negative 3 and negative 1. Same sign, find the sum. I get negative 4. Every other term I just bring down. And now negative 4 and negative 1 will get you a negative 5. And there's no more terms to simplify. Alright, well, you can go ahead and pause the video here and see if you can do these two problems. Alright, for the first problem you should get negative 5x plus 1. And for the next problem you should get negative 2x minus 2. And that's it. That is how you combine like terms. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.